Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Metamask wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Metamask wallet app on your device. And once you open it up, you will be asked to log in using your password. So type in your account password within the password box and tap on the unlock button. This will then log you in and take you into your wallet homepage right away. Now, if you don't wish to use your Metamask wallet account anymore and you wish to delete this, then tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner and this will take you to the settings page. From here, tap on security and privacy, and now from this page, just scroll all the way down, and at the very bottom of this page, you will see the delete wallet button. Tap on this button and you will now be told that this process is permanent. In order to proceed forward, tap on the I understand continue button. Once you tap on this, you will be asked to enter the delete command to proceed forward. So just type in delete using your keyboard on the given box and then tap on delete my wallet. When you do this, you will be asked to enter the password for your account to verify your identity, and you may also be asked to use the seed phrase that was provided to you while creating your account. So provide the verification depending on what is asked, and after you provide this, you will be logged out from your account on the Metamask wallet app. And after this, you will only be able to recover your account by using your seed phrase within 1 month. So make sure you have withdrawn all of your funds before you proceed with this step. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on the Metamask wallet app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.